This week's vlog, we're bringing you some projects that we've been working through over the time and haven't had a chance to post them. So please sit back and enjoy, and hopefully you'll get some inspiration from some of the works.
€50. We're going to use it for linen, put some fabric here in the glass. There's glass down the sides as well. And I'm going to paint it because we don't want it heavy. So you think that's pretty good for €50? Getting the undercoat on this so that we can lighten it a little, and this will be the new house for our linen, which we've been screaming for, and we'll be able to clean up that bedroom. And yes, I'm painting in my thermals. Perfect, she looks gorgeous.
Now, we purchased this steel old school torch from a second-hand shop, and I don't think I'm going to be able to use it as a real torch, but I want to turn it into a light for our entryway. So I've got some inspiration from some pics online, and I'm going to give it a go. Here's my bits. Wish me luck. Sorry, I just got that on video. Cute little spot here in the corner.
Down in the dungeon.
I'm not sure about your walls, but these look cute.
I'm going to complain to management. I think I need a bigger working space.
Tell you what, it could be worse, honey. It could be worse. This is that one we bought at your favourite fabric shop.
Fabric shop.
Beautiful colour, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
So what's this curtain for, by the way?
It's for over the door between this level and the family room, just to keep out some breeze, because when you're sitting down, particularly when you're sitting down eating dinner, it feels a bit cold.
A bit drafty under the
table.
Under the table.
So
it'll look nice anyway, I think.
And then you can go and buy your favourite little tassel.
I need a tassel. A tassel, sorry, not tassel.
Sorry, everybody.
Yeah, but we looked for them last time. We couldn't find any.
No, you've got to go to the nice shop in Rome.
All right, well, next time we're in Rome, tassel shopping, sorry.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to leave you to it. I'm a very busy man. Are we on? Are we on? You might come closer. You can come closer to me, darling.
I've done curtain tracks forever.
Oh, if I hear that one more time, I'm going to pack up and go to Bassignano. Right, that's
on the camera.
That's fairly level. Get out! I'm busy. Blue. You two match. I've lost you.
I'm finally getting around to painting this piece of furniture, and I forgot to show you bits before. So I'm going to do a frottage technique, which is undercoat, as you can see at the moment, which is a cream, then with a diluted mix of the next colour, pop that over, then tap some of it off with some newspaper. I can't decide what colour. I was thinking pink with a dark egg blue over the top, but there's a lot of pink in this room with the shades and the cushions, so I'm not quite sure. I'm changing halfway through. This was the original look. I'm not really in love with it. However, down here, I've done the cloud technique, but then I've gone across, and I actually prefer that. Do you agree?
Clouds?
Non-cloud.
Non-cloud. Yeah, non-cloud's good.
Yeah, okay, cool. All right. So, cloud first, and then let it dry for a few secs, and then go over it just with a straight like that. And I'll be able to reuse all my old newspaper for that. This one has been a labour of love. I made the world's #1 mistake, biggest #1 mistake, and I cut everything too small, thinking that the velvet wouldn't roll over into the frame. Limited on fabric because I need to use the rest of it to cover our chairs, so I've persevered. How many days? 4 days? And I'm finally only got this little section here to go. It's not as neat as I would like it on the inside, but I'm going to get some, originally it had some braid down here on the outside, so I will do that again and then put a little bit of braid on the inside as well, just to tidy it all up. But perseverance gets you there in the end. We'll have a look at her on the fish in a minute.